Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Notion for productivity on phone. Now I will give you 7 productive ways to use Notion. First, save and organize bookmarks in a few clicks with Notion. Second, track your goals alongside everything else in Notion. Third, use Notion's various to-do list styles to stay on track. Fourth, level up your teamwork in Notion with collaborative project boards. Fifth, use Notion's text editor and subpage for extremely organized notes. 6. Set reminders in databases or pages in Notion. And last, mind mapping in Notion. Notion is much more than project management software. This list outlines just several ways you can use it to boost your productivity, with many other possibilities you'll uncover as you go. If you use it to its full potential, you can likely use Notion to replace multiple apps and software, which means you'll no longer have to go back and forth between programs. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.